Have you ever wondered what the future of space exploration holds? Have you considered the role lunar resources might play in that future? As we step into the realm of the unknown, we find ourselves on the lunar frontier, a place where human colonies are no longer a figment of science fiction, but a thrilling reality. Here, on the silvery surface of our celestial neighbor, we find a bustling hub of activity. Settlements, brimming with the spirit of exploration and the promise of discovery, are not just surviving but thriving. The moon, a symbol of wonder and mystery since time immemorial, now holds the key to our future. Its barren landscape, once thought to be desolate and devoid of value, is now a treasure trove of resources. The lunar soil, or regolith, is rich in an isotope that could revolutionize space travel and life on Earth, Helium-3. Helium-3, a byproduct of the sun's nuclear fusion, is rare on Earth, but abundant on the moon. It holds the potential to be a clean, efficient, and virtually limitless source of energy. It could power our homes, our cities, and our spacecraft without the harmful byproducts associated with fossil fuels. But the extraction of Helium-3 is no easy task. It requires innovative technologies, advanced machinery, and above all, the indomitable human spirit. Lunar miners, engineers, and scientists work tirelessly, facing the harsh lunar environment and overcoming the challenges that come their way. They are the pioneers of a new age, the age of lunar colonization. As we delve deeper into the lunar frontier, we begin to see the moon not just as a satellite, but as a launch pad that could propel us further into the solar system, to Mars, asteroids, and beyond. But the journey is just beginning. The lunar frontier is vast and uncharted, teeming with possibilities and challenges alike. The moon, once a distant dream, is now our new frontier. Imagine living on the moon. What does a day in a lunar colony look like? Life on the lunar frontier is unlike anything we know on Earth. As the sun rises over the moon's horizon, casting long shadows over the lunar landscape, the day begins for our lunar settlers. With 1/6 the gravity of Earth, every step is a leap. Every task an exercise in precision and finesse. In the heart of the settlement, we find a thriving community. Homes, not unlike those we have on Earth, line the streets, but these are not built with bricks and mortar. Instead, they're constructed from lunar regolith, providing natural radiation shielding and thermal insulation. Food, a vital pillar of life, is grown right here on the moon. The lunar settlers have transformed the barren lunar landscape into a green oasis. Hydroponic farms and aeroponic towers sprout with a variety of crops, from leafy greens to plump tomatoes. The settlers tend to their crops with meticulous care, ensuring the sustainability of their food supply in this harsh environment. But life on the moon is not without its challenges. The settlers face 16-day-long lunar days and equally long lunar nights, extreme temperature swings, and the ever-present danger of micrometeorite impacts. Yet, with every challenge, they find innovative solutions, turning adversity into triumph. Living and working on the moon is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. It's a bold endeavor, filled with countless obstacles, yet driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. As the sun sets on the lunar frontier, casting the moon's surface into darkness, the lunar settlers retreat to their homes, their day's work done. They carry with them the knowledge that they are the pioneers of a new era, charting a course for humanity's future in space. Life on the moon is not a sci-fi dream anymore, it's a reality that we are building. Buried in the moon's regolith is a resource that could change the game for space exploration, Helium-3. Helium-3, a light non-radioactive isotope of helium, is as rare as it is valuable. On Earth, it's almost as elusive as a whiff of a shooting star. But on the moon, it's found in relative abundance, embedded within the lunar soil by the solar winds over billions of years. This makes the moon a potential treasure trove of Helium-3. Now, why is Helium-3 so valuable? It's all about energy. Helium-3 has the potential to be used in fusion power plants to generate clean, efficient, and virtually limitless energy. Imagine a world where our energy needs are met without the harmful byproducts of carbon emissions or nuclear waste. That's the promise of Helium-3. The extraction of Helium-3 from the lunar soil is no easy task. It requires heating the lunar regolith to extreme temperatures, a process that consumes a lot of energy. But the potential reward is worth the effort. Just 25 metric tons of helium-3 could power the United States for an entire year. That's about the same weight as a large school bus. The moon's surface is estimated to contain over 1 million metric tons of helium-3, enough to power the Earth for thousands of years. But the challenge lies not just in extraction, but also in developing a suitable technology for harnessing its energy. Scientists and engineers are tirelessly working on the development of fusion reactors that can utilize helium-3. While we are still a few decades away from realizing this dream, the progress made so far is promising. The technological advancements in this field could revolutionize not just our energy sector, but also pave the way for sustainable, long-term space exploration. Helium-3, a treasure hidden in plain sight, has the potential to fuel our journey deeper into the cosmos. The moon, once seen as a barren and lifeless satellite, could hold the key to a future where humanity reaches beyond our own solar system, powered by the light of the stars themselves. The moon is more than a celestial neighbor. It's a stepping stone to the rest of the universe. As we push the boundaries of human exploration, the moon, with its wealth of resources, plays a pivotal role in our cosmic journey. Space agencies and private companies alike have their sights set on the lunar landscape. The European Space Agency plans to build a moon village, a sustainable human habitat that will serve as a base for scientific research, commercial activities, and as a stopover for missions to more distant destinations. NASA's Artemis Program 2 aims to land astronauts on the lunar surface by 2024, not just to return to the moon but to stay, paving the way for long-term human presence. But the moon is more than just a pit stop or a scientific outpost. It's a launch pad. The moon's resources, particularly helium-3, could fuel our journey to Mars and beyond. Imagine spacecraft powered by lunar fuel taking us to the red planet, the asteroid belt, or even the outer reaches of our solar system. Private companies, too, are envisioning a future where lunar resources drive interplanetary exploration. SpaceX's Starship, designed to be a fully reusable transport system, could carry both people and cargo between Earth and the moon, and eventually to Mars and beyond. The moon is a treasure trove of resources waiting to be tapped. Helium-3, in particular, with its potential as a clean, efficient fuel source, could revolutionize space travel, making deep space missions not just possible, but sustainable. The future of lunar exploration is bright, filled with ambitious plans and innovative technologies. It's a future where the moon is not just a silent observer in our night sky, but an active player in our cosmic journey. The moon, our launch pad to the universe, holds the key to the future of space exploration. What drives us to explore the unknown, to set foot on alien landscapes, to reach for the stars? This question has echoed in the hearts of humans since the dawn of time. It's a curious blend of our innate curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, and our relentless pursuit of progress that sets us on paths of daring exploration and discovery. We, as a species, have always been explorers. From the earliest mariners who navigated treacherous seas, to the pioneering astronauts who first set foot on the moon, and now to the modern-day lunar settlers, we have always been driven by an insatiable desire to push the boundaries of our existence. Now we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era in space exploration. Our lunar colonies, the helium-3 mines, the technological marvels we've created, all are testaments to our indomitable spirit. They are stepping stones, not just on the moon's surface, but towards a future where we reach deeper into the cosmos. Our endeavors on the lunar frontier are not just about resource extraction or scientific advancement. They are about something much more profound. They are about the human spirit, the same spirit that dared to dream of touching the sky, of reaching the moon, and now dreams of venturing into the farthest reaches of the solar system. Imagine the possibilities. Today we mine helium-3 on the moon. Tomorrow, we could be harvesting the rings of Saturn, studying the oceans of Europa, setting foot on Mars and beyond. This is not mere speculation. It is a future that is being shaped by our actions today. Indeed, the challenges are immense. The journey is fraught with obstacles and uncertainties, but it is our spirit, our relentless pursuit of the unknown that will guide us forward. For it is in our nature to explore, to wonder, to dream. It is our indomitable spirit of exploration that propels us forward into the heart of the cosmos, towards a future only limited by our imagination.